In brief humidity, guys, this time of the year, weather is changing and winter is coming. I feel like I'm a Stark right now. Okay, hi everyone. So of course I'm using a filter because my real face is a mess. This is second time recording this because I was just like losing track. Like the bad thing about this flu is I have no mind. Like my mind is not all over the place like it always be that, but it's not there. It's not there. I can't feel my mind. I can focus on anything. I forget the words before I say them. Not only in English language, because sometimes of course I forget words and just need to search them because it's not my first language, but I forget words in Arabic. I forgot the medications I always take. Like yesterday when I was I called the pharmacy to order some medications because it was like I need some more because what I have here is not enough. So I forgot that the medication that I always take. Like it's my allergy medication. I always take it, always with me. I don't go anywhere without it because I have like a sensitive skin and sensitive nose, so it's always with me. It was it was empty, ran out, and I want it and another medication for the flu, of course. But I forget the medication I always take. It's just like, okay, what is that? What was that? Not the allergy medication that will make you sleep? Like I completely forgot it was Claritin. Completely forgot the name. I was just like, okay, now I feel just a little bit in focus. But yesterday I was absent. I forgot doing the things that I'm already doing right now, and that's not cool. This flu is a little bit weird. It's not the worst. The worst one I ever had was after my vaccination. It was the worst, like the extra worst flu that I ever had in my entire life since I began to conscious. I don't have tonsils. I don't have tonsils. I had a tonsillectomy when I was 3 years old. It was bad. My throat was like full of pus. This time I don't have any pus. I had a fever. I guess I still have it sometimes, but not like the first couple of days. Like my voice now, it's a little bit better than yesterday. Yesterday was like the worst. It's very weird because I started nice. I had a sore throat only, no tiring, no fever, nothing. And Monday evening on Tuesday, I began to feel like I was active during the day doing my normal day-to-day job at home. Not heavy duty now. I'm cleaning my home because this is time of the year. I just clean my home entirely. I wash everything, carpets, curtains, the walls, everything. I just need to first start. So I began early at the beginning of November. So when Christmas comes, everything is clean and beautiful, and it's our new day with a clean home. I always do that every year. So I was doing the light duty, like washing curtains and washing the stuff that need to be washed on that washing machine. So I'm not doing anything by myself. I'm not like washing the carpet, scrubbing the floors or anything. But at evening, I began to feel extremely tired out of nowhere. I had a fever that night. Of course, I took my medications, and I woke up in the morning. I need to go to work because I had a clinic and I have to. So I pushed myself go through this. At work, I took an extra medication, like analgesic and antibiotics to make me strong enough so I can stand and have a little bit of focus, so I can be there with my colleagues and in work area. And I took a lot. Actually, I took a lot. I'm sorry. So I'm sorry for the lighting. At first I had one flashlight here. It's my new lighting. I'm happy that I had it because the electricity began to cut off in specific timings. like every day for a couple of hours. So it's off right now. So I decided to take the chance and use that time to record that video for you. So I'm happy I had these new lightings. Welcome batteries. That's good. So what I was saying, yeah, I was like going to work. Okay, I went to work and I was so tired. Everyone looked at my face like, you are so tired. Just like, if it's so obvious, like, is it so obvious? I didn't say to anyone that I have flu, but everyone looked at my face like, you are extremely tired. Like, yeah, I have flu. And then I began to feel the worst. An evening, I had to leave the work. My colleagues, my friend there, he supported me and just like, it's okay, everything will be fine. I just like, I couldn't stay the night there because I know if I slept at work the next morning I will not be able to go to home. And that actually what happened, because when I arrived home after about 4 hours, because there was no transportation until I got home, I was so tired, not from the transportation, but the fever gets higher and higher, and I needed to take my medication, and I can't, because I don't drink water while I'm traveling, so I'm not going to the bathroom. So once I arrived home, I took my medication, eat something small, and just went to bed. And I went to bed. When I slept the next morning, I was just like so tired, feverish. I had like a vivid and an extreme hallucination in my dreams that night. Even with the medication, it was massive. I wasn't able to breathe well. My nose was clogged, and my eyes was swollen like I was crying the whole night. Like, I never had my eyes swollen in a flu. Never. It was so swollen. Like, did I cry in my sleep? It was so swollen, just like I was crying the whole night. I was just like, my God, what is happening? And my nose was like swollen. I feel like it was having a weird shape. And I felt my face a little bit buffed and not right still, but that's why I'm using a filter. But not like that day. And it began to subside at like Friday evening. My eyes began to get back to normal a little. I was using like my eye drops, antibiotic, so I said like maybe there's an infection in there from the flu, so yeah, it needs its antibiotic, and actually it really helps to like release the buffness a bit. And it was so itchy, so red. It was just like feeling weird, like I feel like I want to scrub it all the time. So that drops really did a good job. I didn't take an antibiotic for myself, like an oral antibiotic, because I hate them, and I feel like I will take them only in the severe cases. It's not very severe, as the flu that I had after I took my shot was Pfizer, of course. He became very rich. I'll not speak about it, because if I begin to, I will never stop, guys. That flu, I took like loads of antibiotics, and I didn't want to go there again. I don't want to take an antibiotic, so I'm beginning to feel a little bit good. But the tiredness began to subside. The sore throat, it wasn't severe at the beginning. The second day, that was no sore throat. On the Thursday evening till now, my voice began to become like this. It was worse yesterday, maybe because of the honey and lemon and ginger and warm drinks makes it a little bit nicer. Maybe it doesn't sound so bad, but it really hurts when I speak. Really. Yesterday I wasn't able to take my breath and began to cough. So I had a medication for that, because if I start coughing, I will never stop. I know. Happened to me many times. So I started early. Once I had the cough and unable to breathe, I began to take that medications. Yeah, so it continued. This is 7th day. What? So, take care of yourself, guys. Take care of yourself, and improve your immunity. Improve your immunity, guys. This time of the year, weather is changing and winter is coming. I feel like I'm a Stark right now. Winter is coming, and they say it will be the worst. Like, it will be so cold because the summer was so hot. So I guess the winter will be way colder than the last year. So improve your immunity. You need to. I didn't. I should have, because I was in intermittent fasting. Maybe it affects my immunity somehow. I don't know. And my vibes wasn't on the highest level. It's a weird thing because there's something that I like noticed. Like, Monday night, I was with my sister and her daughter at her ballet training. And my sister and another mom began to talk about the flu and corona and if it's coming back and all these stuff. It's just like, I don't believe in that. And then began to like continue talking about flu and influenza and corona and all this stuff. It's just like, I talked about it. I began to engage in the conversation and I began to talk about it, and it's weird. Maybe I wasn't protecting my energy. I feel it's the reason, because I go everywhere. I deal with people. I go through transportation, and there's way many people than the ballet training. And some people were sick and cough and sneeze and all this stuff in the transportation. But I never took the virus. But I took the virus on the night from people that they weren't like sick. No one was sick. I don't know from where I got the influenza virus. Maybe I touched something and then touched my nose, like when I was in the supermarket. I don't know, but I allowed myself to go in this. I talked about it, and maybe it's a reason, because I believe in energy and it's my power, and we control our energy by our emotions and all this stuff. I know this stuff with experience and in practice. So in the same night, it was just like very quick manifestation of flu. That that was horrible, but I was the reason of it. I know that. And I neglect improving my immunity in the last couple of months, especially in my intermittent fasting. I should do that because I wasn't eating well. Like the most of the day, of course, I eat well. Trying to take my my O5 supplements that are necessary for your body, but I wasn't taking any vitamins. I should have. I wasn't going in like fruits and vegetables more. I should have. So it's my fault to go in this rabbit hole of flu. So this time of the year, I highly encourage you, don't freak out. So there is a coronavirus, there is a new mutation, guys. It's influenza. The only bad thing I feel right now, not the tiredness, that I don't like to stay still. Like, I want to stay still when I want to stay still, but not forced to. So I'm tired, I can't do anything. Still doing some stuff sometimes. But I like my mom in this part. She don't like to stay still when she's very sick. Just like going everywhere. We used to like try our best, me and my sister, to hold her in place. You need to rest. I feel more tired when I rest. That's weird. That's weird. So I try to go back and forth, like rest for a bit and then do some stuff. But the bad thing, I can't focus on anything because my mind, everything. I can't even focus. Like I'm working on 2 projects, crochet projects right now. Now I'm doing like, one is complicated, needs to count every stitch that I do, and one is very simple. I was working on the complicated one first before I got sick. It's easier in doing, will not take that much time, despite if it's complicated in the stitches. But I couldn't continue doing this because I wasn't able to keep counting. So I decided to switch to the symbol one. So it's easy. So I tried to crochet and listen to audiobooks like I always do. I couldn't focus. I wasn't able to focus on the book. So I decided to watch Game of Thrones again. So like wasting time, not wasting time, I enjoy that, listening to the language, and really helps me a lot in the grammar. Somehow I know my grammar is like it's you see that. My grammar sucks, I know. It's bad, but I'm working on it, trying to getting more words. So I love watching English movies and series. Give me a lot of words, all the words, like mostly a big percentage of the words, the vocabularies that I have are from movies and books and videos and all this stuff. So I love to listen. I really love to listen. I can't focus on anything. I can focus on the value of the books when I like listen to audiobooks. So listen to English so I can collect more and let my brain work on the background. I don't need to focus, just like listen, you know. Okay, there's a war here. Improve your immunity again. Improve your immunity naturally. Don't freak out if you have this tiredness or this loss of mind and it's new to you. That's normal, I guess. It's kind of something in the mutated flu virus. There's a fly here and my cat just drives crazy. He's so cute. He's so cute, looks so beautiful. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you now to watch him chasing the flies. Okay guys, stay safe and healthy, and send you so much peace and love and joy, and I love you so much, and see you soon when I get a little bit better.